Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cancel your Audible membership. First, open your preferred web browser on a computer or mobile device and go to the Audible website. The mobile application does not allow direct cancellation. Once there, log in with your Amazon account information. After successfully logging in, locate and click on the account details link, usually found at the top of the page, to proceed with the cancellation process. Once you are on your account details page, scroll down until you see the Cancel Membership option. This is typically a prominent button or link. Click on it to initiate the cancellation. Audible may present you with various offers, such as a discounted rate for a few months or a free credit, to encourage you to stay. Carefully consider these options before proceeding further with your cancellation. After reviewing any retention offers, you will be prompted to select a reason for canceling your membership from a drop-down menu. Choose the option that best describes your decision. Following this, click the Continue Canceling button to confirm your intent. It is crucial to ensure you see a final confirmation message on your screen, indicating that your request has been received and processed by Audible. Immediately after completing the cancellation steps, you should receive a confirmation email from Audible, typically within 5 to 10 minutes. This email serves as proof of your cancellation. Remember, all audiobooks you have previously purchased will remain accessible in your library forever. However, any unused membership credits will be lost once your membership is canceled, so it is highly recommended to spend them before finalizing the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.